When you're trying to write fractions in lowest terms that have variables, I always recommend that you write them out using the factored form, prime factors in other words. So we'll do that. We'll start with our numbers. On top we have 12. That's 3 times 4. 3 is prime, but 4 is not. So we keep going. Now we just have prime numbers, and remember you're just looking at the ends of all those branches. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And then we'll do the same thing with the letters. Now remember, on exponents they only stick with what's right in front of the variable. So that 2 only sticks with the n, it's not the m. So we have 1 m and 2 n's. Okay, then we'll do the same thing for the bottom. We have 21. That's 3 times 7. Both of those are prime, so we'll just put those here. And again, with the exponent, that means we have 3 m's multiplied together. So we'll list out all 3 of them. And 1 n. Okay, and in this form, you're looking for anything that's the same on the top and the bottom, and we can cancel that out. So like a pair of 3's on the top and bottom, we can cancel those. We can cancel one pair of m's, and we can cancel one pair of n's. And then you're multiplying back together whatever's left over that you didn't cancel. So 2 times 2 gives us 4, and we have an n, that's on top, and 7 for the numbers, and for the letters, m times m gives us m squared. So that's our fraction in lowest terms. Now, sometimes students don't want to do that. They'd rather go with the other way for reducing fractions because it usually is faster. You can do that as long as you just split up the fraction for the number part and the letter part. So if you want to think of this as, let me switch colors, and we're going to go down here and do it again a little bit different way. So we'll split up the numbers, 12 and 21, and we'll have the letters over here. Okay, so the 12 over 21, we can say, okay, what will go into both of those numbers? Well, that would be 3. So you can say, well, I'm going to divide by 3 on the top and bottom. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 21 divided by 3 is 7. For the variables, though, I always recommend you just write them out. So you could do what we did before then for the variable part. So m, 2 n's on top, 3 m's, and 1 n on the bottom. Cancel those. It's easy to see, and it's quick to do. And so we have an n left on top, and m times m is m squared on the bottom. Okay, so there's 2 options for going about it, and either one's fine. They give you the same answer. You just pick the one that you like doing the best.